So beauties, before going any further, let me show you my new Blue Nectar lip cheek and eye tint. Blue Nectar recently sent me this and they are super good. It comes in a 3 variants. So let me show you beauties. These are made up of ghee and lotus. Super duper organic, so natural, no harsh chemical. Can you see these beautiful 3 colors? They are, oh my god, they are so good. So it's nude, beetroot and blackberry. I'm going to give you swatch also so you can see them. So this is like nude, red and deep red. So you have to take a little amount of it, apply it on your cheeks, your lip, your eyelid and then smudge it off. Beauties, don't forget to check my description box for this amazing product. Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. So friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get thick and dark eyebrows at home. So the main focus is how to get dark eyebrows basically, because I think we all just love to have dark eyebrows, and this home remedy is super easy, super affordable. Anyone can do this at home. So we are going to do this. I'm going to show you, and you can see beauties right now I'm not wearing anything on my brows, and my brows are like much darker than before, because before I used to have light eyebrows, and after doing this regularly for a week I get the positive results, and I was just like, now I'm going to show this to my family, to my followers, that how to do this. So beauties, without delaying, let's get started. So friends, firstly here I'm taking one lamp, diya. You can take it of any material which is available at your home. Now I'm adding little amount of mustard oil. Just make sure beauties you have to take only mustard oil, sarson ka tel. And now I'm adding this cotton bud, batti, in this diya. Firstly I'm soaking it, then I'm going to light it up. Now I'm going to light it up. You can use matchsticks, lighter, which is available. And here we are going to take 1 spoon. Beauties, now you have to hold the spoon above the flame, and you have to hold it like this only for 5 minutes, for 5 to 6 minutes. So now I'm going to hold it like this for 5 minutes, and beauties, after 5 minutes you will notice that carbon is collected on the center of the spoon. And now I'm going to add few drops of coconut oil. You can use any oil which is available at your home, and then just mix it well. And as you can see beauties, our home remedy is ready to apply. So this is it. Now we are going to apply it on eyebrows. Tell me in the comment section that how many of you use this method, know about this method, because this is like something our mother, our grandmother used to do. This is very organic, very natural, and basically beauties, this is a carbon which comes out from that lamp, from that diya, and this is very organic, very herbal and very good for your eyebrows, for your eyes. So this will gonna help you in getting dark eyebrows. So can you see, can you spot the difference? So yes, you have to apply it like this. If you don't have coconut oil, you can mix it with vitamin E oil capsule also. You can mix it with almond oil. Just make sure that oil should be good and should be herbal. So beauties, you have to do this every night before going to bed. Just apply this every night before going to bed, and next morning just wash your face with your regular face wash, and in just 3 to 4 days you will start seeing the difference. You will start seeing that your eyebrows getting darker and thicker. One more thing beauties, you can store it in a small container if you have any, but I just love to make it fresh every time, and I just apply it directly with the spoon. So this is how I do. You can also store it. So here it is. So I applied it. Now I'm going to sleep. Now I'm going to my bed, and I'm going to leave it like this for overnight, and next morning I'm going to wash my face with the regular water. So beauties, you have to do this. Just try this, comment it. If you have any queries, I will surely gonna resolve it. I will surely gonna reply you. So beauties, hope you have liked this. Please subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Bye and take care.